Hey, what's up everybody? This is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video guys, I will show you how to make passive income online in 2019. So guys, if you are looking for how to make passive income online in 2019 guys, then guys, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make passive income online, or you can say I will show you the way to make passive income online guys. Right guys? By the way guys, you know that guys, there are so many ways guys to make passive income online. Like you can start doing your e-commerce business guys, you can start doing drop shipping business, you can start selling your own product to make passive income online, or you can start coaching, alright, you can start consulting guys, and you can start selling your online course, right, in which you have your expertise, right? So by creating videos, you can start making passive income online, or you can start flipping the website, you can start flipping the domain guys. So guys, you can see that guys, there are so many ways to make passive income online guys. But here I will tell you my best way to make passive income online, and that is affiliate marketing guys. Guys, if you don't know what is affiliate marketing guys, very simple guys. In affiliate marketing, what we do, we pick someone else's product, or you can say we pick a company product, right? That is not created by us, that is created by that very product or that very company, right? So we pick that product in our niche or in our market where we have interest guys. Like for example guys, if you are into health and fitness guys, right? So you pick a product like how to lose weight guys. So in that niche or in that market, you pick product guys, and you start promoting that very product in the market for a fixed commission through your unique affiliate link guys. And when somebody buys that very product through your unique affiliate link, you get the commission guys. That's it guys. That is how you make money online guys, right? So guys, here point to note is that guys, like if you talk about me guys, right, as I want to make passive income online guys, so what I do like, I pick a product that pays me monthly recurring commission. Mean to say, if I sell that very product, right, for one time, so and I will be getting the commission till the subscription of that very customer guys, right, till the life of that very customer, right, that very customer remain associated with that very company or that very product guys, or that very product start using that very product that I'm promoting guys for 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, or till the end of the life guys. So I will be making commission again and again and again and again guys, every month guys, right? So I'm talking about this income guys, this passive income guys. So guys, here what you have to do, you have to start affiliate marketing, and you can see that guys, right? I have made above $1,000 guys. So this is my passive income guys that I have made. You can see that guys, like yes, this is another product guys that I have like I have promoted guys, and through which I have made $500 guys. And this is another product guys. You can see I have made $300 by promoting this very product guys. And there is another product guys. You can see that I have made $3,600 guys. And you can see that guys, this is another product that is you can say that pays me recurring commission guys. So it's a you can say $61.55 guys. So guys, you can see that guys, in affiliate marketing, like if you want to start your online business, or you can say if you want to start affiliate marketing business, so I would highly recommend you guys pick a product that pays you monthly recurring commission, right? It should like monthly subscription based service or monthly subscription based product that you have to promote guys if you want to make passive income online guys, right? And you can see I'm promoting Clickfunnels. So it's a program, or you can say it's a software through which we create a landing page, thank you page, funnel guys, like sales funnel, and by the help of Clickfunnels we can create any other funnel like membership funnel, webinar funnel, product launch funnel, and 2 steps lead generation funnel, guys. Right? Let us show you that, guys, how it looks like. So that you can see that, guys, I have created a funnel with the help of Clickfunnels. So guys, this is the program that I'm promoting right now, and that pays me monthly recurring commission, guys. 40% commission that I get, guys, whenever somebody joins through my link and create account with Clickfunnels, then I get 40% commission, guys. And now you can see that, guys, I have created a funnel with the help of Clickfunnels, right? So now it's a 2 steps funnel, right? First is landing page. Yes, can you see that, guys? So this is my simple looking, you can say, landing page, guys, right? And now you can see here I'm promoting, you can see I'm just giving away my free training where I'm revealing how I made $2,500 promoting one weird product with my 2 steps weird funnel using 12 free strategy without spending a single dime on ads. So that it's kind of my lead magnet that I'm giving away for free in exchange of email address. And when somebody put his name and email address, then he goes to my thank you page or bridge page, right? Where what I'm doing, guys, where I'm promoting my offer, that is one funnel level challenge, right? So that if somebody click on that, then guys, you can see that he will be taken to my affiliate offer that I'm promoting, right? We can see that, guys. Yes, guys. So this is my product that I'm promoting, guys. One funnel level challenge, guys, right? So guys, you know that, guys. This is how we just promote our affiliate product in affiliate marketing. So guys, affiliate marketing is one of the best model through which you can make passive income online, guys. So guys, if you are new, I would highly recommend you guys pick a product that pays you monthly recurring commission, as I did, guys, right? I just choose a product that is Clickfunnels, guys, and that pays me monthly recurring commission, 40% commission, guys. And same thing, guys, for Get Response, guys, it pays me around 30% commission, guys, right? It's a recurring commission. People need autoresponder to collect emails and or send emails, right? To build their email list, they need autoresponder, right? So I'm promoting this Get Response, right? And when somebody buys or register for or Get Response, I make recurring commission, right? So I have worked hard to make sale for one time, but I will be getting commission again and again till the subscription of that very customer or that very client, guys. And same thing goes for Clickfunnels, guys. So there are so many programs that pay you monthly recurring commission, like you can go with eWeb autoresponder, Active Campaign, ConvertKit, and ClickMagick, guys. Yes, this is another tool that I'm using personally to track my campaign. And yes, I'm also promoting this ClickMagick, and when somebody buys, I also make a recurring commission with ClickMagick, right? So guys, yes, affiliate marketing is one of the best model where you can make money, guys, or you can say where you can make passive income online in 2019, right, guys? So guys, now you know my best way to make passive income online, right? And yes, do let me know if you have any questions about how to make passive income online. And yes, do let me know in the comment and I will answer you guys, right, guys? And yes, if you like this video, guys, please do like, share and comment. And yes, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, because on alternate day basis, or you can say on daily basis, I put out some great training that is helpful in affiliate marketing business, guys. So guys, if you are in affiliate marketing business or you are just new, right, and want to learn everything about affiliate marketing business, then guys, subscribe to my channel and you can learn everything about affiliate marketing business, guys, if you want to make passive income online, right, guys? Hey, by the way, I'm also putting the link of Clickfunnels, right? If you want to start promoting this Clickfunnels, then and yes, I'm also putting the link so that you can apply to the affiliate program, and I'm also putting the link of Get Response account, right guys? Sorry, Get Response affiliate program, so that you can go and join to the affiliate program, and you can start making passive income by promoting Clickfunnels as well as Get Response, right? And yes guys, I'm also giving you my funnel guide, this exact funnel that I have shown you guys, right? So guys, if you want to promote this one funnel level challenge guys, then yes guys, I'm also giving this exact funnel so that you can promote one funnel level challenge making recurring commission guys, right? So yep, you don't have to do anything guys, I have already done everything for you, right? And yes guys, yes, if you want to join one funnel level challenge guys, then yes, I'm also giving my bonuses guys. You can check it out, like I'm giving my personal coaching, my personal support, right, my free training where I have revealed how I made $1,000, and .com secrets book guys. It's a physical book that I'm giving away for free guys, and this is another book, expert secrets book guys, that I'm giving away for free, and this is marketing secrets book that I'm giving away for free guys, right? This is another book, funnel hacker cookbook, where you will learn how to create your funnel, landing page, thank you page, membership site. So everything that you will learn by reading this book, funnel hacker cookbook, and that book I'm giving away for free guys, right? And yes, I'm just giving my personal coaching call recording for free, six-figure entrepreneur guys, right? So yeah, there is another personal coaching call that I'm giving away for free guys with Jacob guys. He's also six-figure entrepreneur guys. And yes, I'm also giving my training guide, Clickfunnels training, where you will learn how to create your landing page, thank you page, your sales funnel, membership site funnel. So everything that you will learn in this training guide. It's a video training guide, right? My 10K case study guide by six-figure entrepreneur that I will give you. And there is another, yes, I will give you my exact funnel guide if you join this one funnel level challenge through my link guide, right? So these are the bonuses that I will give you for free guide, right? And my pre-written email swipe files, my best affiliate program that I will give you guys, right? I will give you my free training where you will learn how to create profitable sales funnel guys, right? In any niche. And yes, I will give you my free training on how to buy solo ads, right? So you can see that guys, these are the training that I will give you for free guys, right? Like how to promote your affiliate offer on YouTube guys, on page SEO, and how to create your own YouTube channel guys, so you can make money, so you can start your online business guys. So it's a free training that I will give you guys, right? So total value is $5,502 guys, right? So I'm giving you just for free guys, just for if you join one funnel level challenge through me guys. Guys, it's a 30-day training where you will learn how to start your online business, right? So guys, I think I have covered everything. So yes guys, this training is going to start on 5th August, right? 5th August 2019. So yes, you have time to register for one funnel level challenge, right? So guys, now you know how to make passive income online in 2019, right? You can start doing affiliate marketing business if you want to make passive income online, right? So this is one of the best way to make passive income that I'm doing personally, right? So let me know if you need any help in starting your affiliate marketing business. I will personally help, right guys? So guys, once again, thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day.